in this lecture we are going to calculate conditional sum one more time, but this time we are going to apply multiple conditions instead of one. So let us start. The first thing, the argument name, the formula name is Sumifs, so it is Sumifs actually. Now let us start, and the first argument that Excel is asking me is basically sum range. So I will go to the column where I need to sum, basically which I need to sum. So I need to sum the sales revenue. So I will select all the column here, and let's go back to the formula. And the next argument formula is asking me is criteria range 1. So again I have to select the range for my criteria 1. So I will go to the brand and I will select the complete range from top to bottom, and then I have to select the criteria. So basically in the range given, what I want to select as criteria. So I would say choose this cell in which right now the best choice is mentioned, and press comma, and now the Excel is asking you for the criteria range 2. So I will go to my last column here, and in this column I would select from top to bottom. Actually what I want is that I want Excel to only bring me the sum where the profit margin is greater than 60%. So I would apply this inverted commas here. So if I can scroll down, you would see what I'm doing. So I would apply this inverted commas and I would say greater than 60%. So I have to apply percent as well. Close the inverted commas, close the bracket, and press enter. So my answer here is 34. So what Excel is telling me is that the sum of sales is $34, where the brand is best choice and where the profit margin is less than 60%. So I have actually mistakenly applied less than 60%. I would make it greater than 60% for now. And here we go. So Excel is answering me as 74. So let us go and check if that is correct or not. So I would go to the top, and here we have best choice. I would go to my last column and I will apply the profit, the filter actually, Alt AT, and here we have filter, and I would go to number filters and I would say greater than 60%. And if I apply that, you will see that all the columns are now only showing 60%. So if I can go to the best choice and select the columns, select the values of sales revenue where the brand is best choice, you can see that my sum is $74 here. So that is it. It was that simple. So let me go back to the bottom and I will just copy and paste these cells below. But before I do that, let me lock the ranges. Lock, and this one again, it should also be locked. A204 will not be locked because I want it to go down as I move forward. Okay, so let us copy and paste this to all the cells below. And here we go. So now we have calculated sum based on two conditions. I hope you have found it very easy.